Good morning to all. Today we will study about forms of verbs. So when we talk about forms of verbs, there are four principal parts of verbs. And verbs are regular verbs and irregular verbs. So now let's study what are regular verbs and what are irregular verbs. Irregular verbs are those verbs which form their past tense and past participle by adding ed. For example, if I take a base form cry, so past tense will be cried and past participle will be cried. So same for past tense and past participle, and they are formed by adding ed or d to the present form. Now irregular verbs are those verbs which form their past tense and their past participles in a different way. Like if I take a base form sit, so the past tense of sit will be sat and past participle will be sat. Another example, if I take root verb as ring, so past tense will be rang and past participle will be rung. So a verb has four principal parts: the present participle, the past, and the past participle. The past and the past participle of a regular verbs are formed by adding ed or d to the present form, and most of the verbs are regular. Now see, if I talk about simple present, it is like do, present continuous, doing, simple past, did, and past participle, done. Now what is the difference between past tense and past participle? Past tense is a tense, it is a did form. And when we talk about past participle, it is a specific verb form which is used in past and present perfect tenses. And it is not a tense, but it is a form of verb and it can't be used by its own. So now let us understand this with the help of an example. Like if I say I break. So when I talk about continuous, it will be I am breaking. When I talk about past, it will be I broke. And present and perfect tense, it will be I have broken. Or you can say past participle, it will be I have broken. Same, if I take another example, I do it every day. So do is simple present. I am doing it now. So doing is present continuous. I did it yesterday. Did is simple past. I have done it already. Done is past participle. So now we can again understand with the help of this table. Present participle, past and past participle. So these are the principal parts of regular verbs. So join. I join. Present participle will be I am joining. Past will be I joined, and past participle I have joined. Now irregular verbs, the past and the past participle of an irregular verb, they do not follow the pattern for spelling verbs by adding ed or d to the present form. Okay, they do not add ed or d in the end. So let's see again the principal parts of irregular verb: present participle, past and past participle. For example, if I take choose, so I have to change it into present participle, so it will become I am choosing. Past, chose, and past participle have chosen. So choose is becoming chose and chosen in past and past participle form. Whereas if I take a word cry, it will become cried and cried, both same in past and past participle. Again, another example, drink. It will be I am drinking, I drank, I have drunk. Same we can see another example, become, I am becoming, I have became, I have become. So this is all about forms of verbs, regular verbs and irregular verbs.